One thing that I think my hobby room is missing is a nice comfy chair to be able to sit in and possibly knit or crochet or read. And I found the perfect chair on Facebook Marketplace. Kayla and I are gonna pick that up today. And we're gonna spend just a day doing errands, maybe going to Costco and visiting his mom. So that's gonna be the rest of our weekend. How is your cold steak?
It's good. We need to finish this off today, so I'm just eating it cold.
Yep.
Delicious.
We started off by heading to Joann's because my mother-in-law needed some fabric for a project. Joann's was having an incredible Memorial Day sale where I picked up some amazing fake plants at 70% off. Then we headed to the seller of the chair that I found on Facebook Marketplace. The chair looked and felt awesome, and I decided to buy it. We loaded it up and took it to Kale's parents' house because we were going to stay the night to cook a meal of clams and play a game of cards.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Wait. Okay. Oh gosh. So here's my new cozy chair. It came with this nice ottoman that moves back and forth if you put your feet on it. And I just thought that it was the perfect cozy chair of my dreams. Yes, I remember that.
Gibson, come here.
After dinner, we saw commotion out on the water. A flock of birds were flying around some waves that were making their way quickly across the water. At first, we thought it was a whale, but it turned out to be a group of 30 to 40 sea lions who were hunting a school of fish. After they were finished, they just hung out in the inlet, just bobbing their heads in and out of the water. It was a sight we've never seen before and a magical moment to witness.
So I think we'll be able to take the chair home today, so that's what we're going to do. We gotta load the chair into this car and get it into my hobby room.
Remember, lift with your legs.
Okay, hold on. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Put this side so that you can put yours down first and then
This room is all wrong. Welcome to the room where I edit things and I do my hobbies in. This is my hobby room, if you will. And I have it set up right now in a way that is okay, but it still feels off. What I want to do today is completely rearrange the furniture to try out this new configuration because I think it can be better. Right now I've been doing my editing on this desk in front of this window, but I think I want to move this whole station to this wall over here, where I currently have my laser engraver. I think I want to take this whole station and move it to the other side. And I think for this desk, I want to use it as my editing desk. And that is the plan for today's video, so let's start moving things around. So I have to move every single piece of furniture in this room right now. Let's get going on that. Where should I start? I think I want to start with moving this away from the wall and start moving it across the room. We're basically rotating things. It's gonna be a rotation. And there's these boxes here too, and I want to be able to set up the room right before I set the things that are in this box, in these boxes, where they're going to live permanently. So let me get these guys out of the way. So this is more like it. I definitely think this is a much nicer workspace where I can really spread out and keep things aesthetic and pleasing to the eye. Whereas when this was against the window, it was just, I don't know, it didn't feel right. So this I hope to put up on the wall at some point. Right now it's just leaning against the wall. And then I will put some floating shelves above the station. But this guy I got from IKEA, and we got it from the As Is section. And Kayla and I are huge fans of the As Is section in IKEA. We also got this lamp from there. Look how beautiful this lamp is. And we also got our table from IKEA's As Is section too. But now that the biggest task is done, and that is getting the tables where I wanted them to go, now I want to get the things that are in these boxes out and put them where I want them to live. So let's go ahead and do that. I think I want to start with this one, the one that's closest to me. Wow, The folks at Xtool decided to send me their screen printing kit. I've never done any sort of screen printing before, but ever since I was introduced to the concept of screen printing using a laser machine, I have been so curious about that. So I'm so excited to dive in, get this set up so I can do that. Not sure how to open this guy. All right, let's see what's in here. We've got some papers. We have the screens. Yeah, I'm going to have to spend some time setting this up, so I don't think I'll be able to dive into it in this video, but wow, this is gonna be really, really cool. Whoa, this is big. So here's where the screen printing machine is going to live. And right now I don't have it fully set up. I'm going to wait until not today to do that. But it came with a lot of accessories and a lot of materials. So I decided to just store it in the box that they came in and just put it underneath the table here for now until I'm ready to do it. But I have this really nice drawer from IKEA to store the paints in. These are the screen printing inks. They're just gonna live here. And the kit also came with this scraper tool. It has a magnet attached to it, so I can just attach it to there for now. And it came with this little knife. But yeah, that is the screen printing kit. Now let me show you the machine that I need to even use it in the first place. These are cool straps. They're like Velcro straps.
Oh, sweet.
If you ever need to tie something down. So here's the Xtool S1 all set up, and I also got the air purifier, which will allow the fumes that the machine is going to produce while it's laser engraving to filter into the box there so that I don't inhale any of it. But this is their white model, and I think it's really, really beautiful. I can't wait to fully set it up, and I can show you not just how this guy works, but how screen printing works. Now there is one final piece that needs to go inside of this room, and it's gonna go right against this wall. So let's go ahead and do that, and I can finish off the room for today. A nice comfy chair. I'm so glad this room is done and set up the way that I've always wanted it to, and I'm really excited to start using this space to its full potential. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of my new hobby room, and if you have any suggestions, don't hesitate to leave those comments down below. I really hope that you liked this hobby room makeover, and if you did, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up. And until the next video, keep smiling and keep being awesome, and I will see you in that next video. Bye guys.